right, so this isn't good when your fiance's hanging out with your ex-girlfriend. Now they're doing each other's hair. All right, I know the light's not that good, but tonight is Friday night. We're down here at Bogart's Bar Dive, and there's a kid here, a young gentleman, I should say. His name is Jess, and he's very famous for making rings in the Philippines. He's a gentleman lighting up a cigarette here, where you're not supposed to smoke. He's done rings for celebrities, and he's come over from Sikihor. He came over just to see us, and he's going to be making us, there he is over there, and he's going to be making us a ring. Our wedding rings. All right, so here's Jess.
Hello guys. I'm going to make a wedding ring for Kelly.
Yeah, that's right, Ned Kelly.
And Dumaguete from coins into a ring. And it takes like 20 minutes each making, and I gotta put the name inside and the date that they're gonna married in February 14.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. So no machine making, no fire, no electricity making in about 20 minutes, and it will be done. I will show you the finished product later.
Okay. Hey.
So I've been doing rings for 20 years now, since 1999, and I'll be in the touristic area in the Philippines, traveling for work. Aluna Beach.
He's everywhere.
Yeah.
He's a man on a mission. Shiny, shimmery, like my head.
Like your head.
Shiny, shimmery. And how much do you usually charge for a job like this?
Actually, I charge about $20, or it's about 19 euros.
Okay.
So if you have a coin, bring here in the Philippines, you're gonna make your ring.
There you go. You've done rings for celebrities too, right?
Yeah. I done many rings for many celebrities. Yeah. So maybe if they watch the video also, share.
Yeah, everybody share, watch, and read, and do all that stuff. And now he's using a flip-flop. He's using a chinella.
Yeah, this is the flip-flop.
This is all high quality professional gear that he's using here.
This is the most expensive tools I have.
Yeah, that's the most expensive. And this is very important.
Yeah, the fuel up.
Red Horse Stallion.
Okay, I get a fuel up, bro.
Yeah. Fuel up, fuel up.
I'm making the hole a little bit bigger, and then later
for my fat finger, for my fat sausage finger.
For need the Kelly fat finger.
Kelly fat finger, yeah. The chorizo finger.
And if you have so many coins from your country, bring here in the Philippines.
Bring them.
We turn it into a ring.
That's a 50 cent euro right there.
It's a euro, 50 cents. We can use Australian $1 and $2. We can use 10 Thailand baht.
Baht. Bring it baht.
10 kroner. Swedish 10 kroner.
Kroners.
Norwegian kroner.
He knows all the coins. 20 years experience. He knows all the coins.
Also, my godfather is also making coin rings.
Oh, your godfather?
Yeah, I have 14 years old coin ring.
Yeah.
I just lost it.
You did. You just lost it. Yeah, that was a nice ring too. All right, so this is what it's looking like right now, and it's hot as hell because he's been filing it. It's super hot. Oh, it's a cockroach. Chichai hates cockroaches. Hey, come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Look at she ran. Okay, so here's the rough that he's got done just for the fitting, and it fits. Now he's got to polish it up and everything, but that's nice. That's actually a euro. That's not a Philippine coin, because we don't want to violate any laws of the Philippines when it comes to currency. So that's and mine's going to be Australian.
Yeah.
So hers is a euro.
Excuse for the nails.
Yeah, excuse for the nails, and mine's going to be an Australian coin. So
Yeah. Fuck Australia.
Ned Kelly, Australia.
I have a 10 years old daughter.
Oh, congratulations. You must have used Dole vinegar.
What are you doing? They're
I'm
making
making a
rings.
ring from a coin.
Making rings. He's sweating. It's hot, man. It's raining right now. And the humidity, it's sweating, yeah. Oh, he's just ripping them.
He needs to change. Because his pants not working.
Yeah, now he's got it. Gotta free the legs. There we go. Yeah.
I think it's good now. Later.
Filipino ingenuity. We call it Phil Genius because his pant legs were too tight. So this is after the filing and a little bit of sandpaper. This is what it's looking like right now.
Yeah.
And that's nice. It's already nice. So for those who don't know, this is basically what a prison shank or a shiv looks like. It's a fabricated. This is a file actually, but it's sharp on the end.
Yeah, it's the thing to make names inside.
This is what you engrave the
Names, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yes, yeah.
So this is the engraving tool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sharp. And you see a lot of this stuff. They need a tool, so they fabricate it. Yeah. Use this in a shower. So this is what it's looking now. It hasn't been polished yet.
Not polished yet.
Not polished yet, but as you can see, that's really nice, man. That is beautiful. This man is an artisan right here. A true artisan. An artiste.
Artiste. So I have the jeans here, the flip-flops.
The chinela.
Yeah, for the final buffing.
And this is the final buffing right here. And this is a piece of denim from
pants.
From his pants. He just ripped it off earlier.
See?
Right there. This is personalized service right here, man. This is sacrifice for one art.
It's a sacrifice. And I'm making in the streets. I don't have a shop here, so it's totally sacrifice.
And when we say streets, we're like in the street. This is the street.
Yeah.
Highway.
Yeah. And the ladies are providing light.
Hi.
Okay, this is the final polish now. He's putting the metal polish.
Yes. You don't have?
You don't have a ring? He can make you a ring die.
I can make you a ring.
Save your pesos. Save your centavos, die.
Nawala ang kasi makuha ko ballpen.
Do you want to get married? He's making wedding rings.
I'm getting married.
He's getting married.
You speak Spanish?
Muy poquito. Muy poquito.
Just small. Like,
I thought Bisaya was going to be easy like Spanish, but it's not.
you want to see it now?
And Tagalog is even harder.
Ano ba ito?
Alright, so here we go. This is it. It's all done. I don't know if it's focusing correctly. And he's going to do the engraving on the inside.
So I'm gonna borrow again a pen. I think I lost the name.
Yeah, we got to.
I will check.
That's nice, man. Can't look at that. That's beautiful. Work of
I
art.
think you're gonna write it again.
He's engraving our names now.
I'll be back. I don't know the system next one.
So
You're so adorable. Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
What's your name?
What is your name?
My name is Rose.
Hi, Rose.
Where's Jack?
Jack Nayer.
Okay, so the process is complete. We got both the rings done. I'd like to thank Jess for coming down all the way from Sikihor to get this done. And again, his contact information is down in the video description box. You can contact him on Facebook and get that done. Till next time, this is Ned. That's Jess.
Yes.
And we're My Philippine Dreams. Peace.
Subscribe.
So that's what we'll be doing. Come on, where's the love? Where's the love? I'll edit this out. Maybe. I got all these fingers.
That's an asshole.
They're all saying I'm number one. I'm number one. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.